Okay, I'm gonna call on someone randomly. It's Sal. You want to share?
Don't call me. Please don't call me. Please, please, please don't call me. I just don't feel like saying this. I just don't want to share it because just don't. Can I just not, please? Okay, she called me. Why is she calling on me? I'm so scared right now. I don't want to talk. Why can't I just vanish right now? Can I disappear? I just want to die right now. I don't want to be here. I want to leave.
Look at her. She's such a loner.
Yeah, look the way that she's dressing.
She's never gonna make friends.
You know, life would be so much better without me. I hate everything about life. I feel worthless. I can't do this.
Praline, get up! Breakfast is ready!
No, thank you. I'm not hungry.
I just want to make friends. I don't like being lonely. I don't want to feel lonely anymore.
I'm tired of dreading life. Will I ever find peace?
Will I ever find happiness? I just want to be free.
If you feel any symptoms of anxiety, loneliness, depression, let a teacher, a counselor, or a parent know. There is help for you. Speak up.
If you see someone going through a tough time at school, reach out.
You can make a difference. You could save someone's life.
Place your hand over your heart. Can you feel it? You're meant to live here for a reason. That's called purpose. Don't ever give up.
Together there is hope. You are not alone.
I am strong.
I am talented.
I am powerful.
I am confident.
I am strong.
I am unique.
I am caring.
I am friendly.